My controllers need to be charged, always. For my gameplay, it means winning or losing. The great thing about the TwistDock is I can put my controllers in them, and while they're being charged, they're not being touched by anything. And that means I can stay 100% accurate throughout the whole game.
I think it's great that he has fun playing the PS3, but it can be so messy with all the cords and controllers, and the TwistDock makes everything neat and tidy.
Why did Sony only give me 2 USB ports? I want to have all my Sony USB peripherals connected to my PS3. I hate to connect and disconnect the plugs all the time.